Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can add links to TikTok bio. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open a TikTok application. It is available in both Play Store as well as App Store. And when you are inside the TikTok, there is an profile section in bottom right corner. Then you just have to click on the profile section. And when you are inside profile section, there is an edit profile option. As you can see there, just click on edit profile option and I'll show you how you can copy a link. Firstly, I'll give you an example by copying my own link of TikTok. You can just copy the link and go to the bio section and click on the bio section. After that, you can just paste that link and click on the save button that is on the top right corner. Just click on the save button and after that, you will be able to add link to your bio. So this is how you can easily add links to TikTok bio. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.